Hi guys, I'm Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video I'll give you a quick demo of how to drive an automatic car, or if you want to do a test drive of an automatic car, how to do that. Well, if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's get started. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.
1, 2, 3, drop.
Alright, so now I'll give you a quick demo of how to use automatic cars, or if you are going for a test drive, how to do the drive an automatic. So this is the Maruti Suzuki Ignis. If you want to see the full review of this car, then link will be in the description. But anyways, in this quickly I'll tell you how to do the test drive. So I'm hoping that you already know how to drive a manual. If not, then it's better to ask someone how to drive a manual first. But this video is for people who already know how to drive a manual, but I think you'll be able to understand if you don't. So this is the AMT. Now we don't have a clutch here, you see. This is an AMT, so accelerator, brake. There's no clutch. So first thing, when you are using an AMT, only use your right leg, no need to use your left leg. Brake and clutch, brake and accelerator normal, like how you use in normal manual car. So don't use your left leg, just keep it aside. First thing, if you do something with your left leg, you might have confusion and it can lead to major problem. You can do emergency braking thinking it is the clutch. R, N and D. So when you are normally parking, N is the one you should keep. Then we have the reverse, and this is the MD, manual. Like if you keep in D, and automatically it'll change, whereas if you move it to one more step down, then you can like control, just push it like this and like up and down, and you can change the gears. See here, P, R, N and D. P is for park, R is for reverse, N is for neutral, D is for drive. So there's a lever over here, you can see, and when I press that, this is park. When you are parking, you have to keep in that. Then is reverse. So you'll see the park rear view camera is on, and you can also see in the cluster it's showing R. Next is N, this is neutral. Then is D, and when you move to the right, now this is manual mode, so you can actually change gears manually. We'll keep it in automatic now, so everything will be done by the car. This is a quick demo of how you should go for a test drive of an automatic car. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Now it was made very quickly. So if I missed any points, comment below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.